The Houston underground takeover scene is getting out of hand. One person's car is left completely destroyed. All of this in today's episode of Sinclair News. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sinclair News. I'm your host, AJ, Sinclair Photos, and today we have quite the sad story for you guys. This is a very Houston specific story, so if you guys are looking for supercar community news, maybe check back on Wednesday. We'll have another video ready for you guys then. But I was asked to talk about this because this is pretty important in the car scene in Houston, and as well the takeover or sideshow scene as well. So pretty much, if you didn't know, there was a takeover, I believe it was Saturday or Friday night, and things got out of hand for the reason I do not know, but it left one guy's car completely destroyed. For some reason he was in the middle of the crowd, and then people just start kicking his car, they start punching it, they start breaking, they broke his a side mirror off, they dented the fenders. Oh my god, it was bad. And I just cannot imagine what this guy was feeling in that time, because I know for me, if that happened to me, oh my god, I'd be pissed. And I'm sure it's the same for anybody watching right now. You put your time, your money, your effort, everything into your car, and then for just some random person to start destroying it for no reason, that is not a good feeling whatsoever. But these clips I'm about to show were sent in by JL_autopics. Thank you for the hookup, my man. And I'll just show you what kind of madness was going down at this takeover meet.
I'm getting out.
What's up, Grant? What's up, Grant? What's up, Grant? Oh, Grant, you good? You good? You good?
Fuck that nigga, I broke that nigga window. What? Fuck that nigga shit. Your shit just got fucked up. I'm still here. I'm at the left. It's 15 left. One guy got some plates.
So, with you guys seeing that, I hope you'd feel the same way that I feel after seeing that. Just utter disgrace, and I cannot believe what I just saw. So, pretty much, this guy has a GoFundMe, I guess, running for the repairs for his car. I'll go ahead and link that in the description below, because I know if that happened to me, for absolutely no reason, I would want some people to help me out, and a lot of people actually have helped him out. So that'll be in the top link in the description for you guys if you want to go contribute a couple bucks to this guy to get his car pretty much fixed. I'd recommend doing that as well. But sadly, this is just the way the takeover scene is going now. It's turning more into like a riot than a takeover. That's why I completely stopped going. I have somebody out there that films occasionally for me now, so you're gonna see a takeover video here in the future. But I have not been to one since the Vice one, like a couple months ago. Also, the police are in all my business right now, so I cannot be going to those illegal things or I will get arrested. So yeah, So that's a big reason why I haven't been going out, and it just gets crazy now. It used to be so simple. Back in the bicycle world days, if you guys remember that was like the very first Takeover. That was fun. We were just doing donuts in an empty parking lot, doing burnouts, and occasionally someone would get pulled over, and then that was it. But now they're throwing fireworks, they're hitting people, people bringing guns, and I know for a fact, I've seen it with my own eyes, half the people there are not sober whatsoever, either be high or drunk, and they're driving around at high speeds with all those people in the area. It's just not a very good area for anyone to be at, and not safe for anyone either. I've even seen a whole entire family, grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, brother, sister, and babies at the meet one time. I just don't know how you can bring your family into something like that. But it is not a very good place, so I will not be going out to those anymore. I don't support whatsoever the whole mob mentality of the destroying people's cars, but everyone loves to see a good donut, everyone loves to see a good burnout, and being the send man from Cars and Coffee, I give that the okay. But this running from the cops, disrespecting the police, hitting people, all that stuff, that's not my cup of tea. So if any Takeover videos you'll see on the channel in the future will probably be from somebody else, unless I really want to go to one. But I mean, I got plenty of other good stuff to do, and up here in College Station I'm starting to get into the car scene here. There's a couple meets here and there that I'll probably try to film one in the near future for you guys. But that is really all for today. I just wanted to let you guys know of this terrible tragedy that has happened in the car community here in Houston, Texas, and I really hope it does not happen anymore. If you know the guy, tell him that we're supporting him here over at Sinclair Photos. We're gonna try to get some more donations for him by putting the link in the top of the description. And I just hope that this stuff doesn't continue on in the Takeover scene, because it used to be fun and games, and now it's getting really bad and just not fun to attend when you gotta worry about people actually destroying your car. So I hope you guys feel the same way I do. If you do agree with me, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you think I'm stupid, please leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me why. I really like to know what the opposing viewpoint is on this topic. But as always, remember, watch the best and skip the rest, baby. If you like the video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and ring the bell. That makes a huge difference, and I'll see you in the next video.